This is a test of thought. I'm going to test this all out. Here are some optical drives. This is what an optical drive looks like inside of a box. But if you take it out apart, what I'm going to do here. There's the optical drive right in there. So when you need that DVD to come out, you can just, this is how a DVD player works. It's all in there. This is how it's configured right now. So yeah. Just want to see if I can figure out how to get this out. Oh, actually no. But yeah, this is a proof of concept video. I hope you enjoyed. Be a little bit more more organized next time. I can figure this out. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you for watching.